In this single leg stability drill, I'm going to be showing you how to do hops on 4 points in a diamond formation. So firstly, in front of me here, I've got a mat that I've put side on, and I've created 4 points in that diamond shape. Now, what I want you to do is find a prop. It could be a towel, kitchen towel, tea towel, something that you're going to do similar with. Don't use anything like balls or things that you could potentially accidentally land on and then roll your ankle or something like that. So just make sure it's not a hazard. If I land on this mat, it's going to be absolutely fine. I'm not going to create an injury. So I'm going to be using my left foot first, and my right foot is going to be out the way. So all my single leg stability through the ankle, knee and hip are all going to be utilised on that left leg. So I'm going to take my right leg out the way by flexing it at the knee, and I'm going to jump to point 1. So point 1 is this point here, point 2 is furthest away from me, point 3 is to my right hand side. So to point 1 first, and I've got to stabilise, point 2, stabilise, point 3, stabilise, and back to the beginning, point 4. So you do that for your desired amount of repetitions and sets, and of course you do exactly the same on the other side. So if it was my right leg, I'll be jumping right, and then forwards, then left, then back to my start position. That's how to do the 4 point drill in a diamond formation.